too and stuff too. But that should be okay, shouldn't it?
Now we're putting all the parts back.
We're putting all the parts, putting all the parts back.
We just assume, but we want to, as a safety precaution, make sure that you remove all your knives and
blades or instruments,
tools and rags from up under the hood. And
cause I would hate to see you or anybody Yep.
okay, so that's a wrap. And make sure you don't over tighten anything.
Yep.
When you put it back in. And best wishes on your do-it-yourself repairs on any vehicle. And make sure to like us on YouTube. Have any questions, send them to members@abandonedvehicles.com. And check out our other videos that we have posted. Thanks.